This greenish roti is totally addictive, nutritious and easy to make. Perfect for any meal of the day and healthy too. Let's make it. Start by adding spinach, coriander leaves, ginger garlic, cottage cheese and a little water to in a blender jar. Blend everything together into a smooth puree. Now, in a bowl, add the puree and salt and mix it well. Then, add the flour and knead into a soft dough. Before finishing the dough, add olive oil and knead one last time for a smooth finish. In our comments, people often ask about the oil. It's my personal choice and I feel it makes roti more softer. Now, on a rolling surface, sprinkle some flour and divide the dough into a small portion. Roll each ball into a thin, round shape with a rolling pin. Heat a flat pan and place the rolled roti on it. Cook one side until bubbles form, then flip it. Now cook other side and press gently with a cloth. Once roti is lightly browned and cooked, remove from the heat and serve hot with your favorite choice of curry or the way you like. Enjoy.